That was like a one-time fluke, so hopefully I'm able to recreate it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and like the title says, I'm gonna show you how to get like a blowout look without actually having to do the blowout. If you're black or brown and you have kinkier hair, blowouts don't really work on our hair like how they work on people who have finer hair. You're gonna need to like wash, blow dry, and straighten your hair first before you get that type of look for us, which is why it takes us longer. If you're wondering why my hair looks like this, because my hair normally doesn't, I did do a review of these like hot rollers from Conair, and I have thoughts about them. So if you want to know, just watch that video. Because I need to touch up my hair, I was like, I might as well show them how I do that one style, this style that you're seeing right now, so that you can know what I did to achieve it, because I really liked how it turned out and I was upset that I didn't film it. So the flat iron that I used in that tutorial, or when I did my hair like that, this is the Croc Master Collection infrared 1-inch flat iron. They so kindly sent this to me. I'm just holding the flat iron out like this. I'm not like doing a specific type of curl or anything. And once it comes out, I'm just like wrapping it up around my finger like this. I don't wrap it super tight because I don't want a tight curl. And then I'm taking one of my pins and I just pin it like that. And it's okay if you're, when you pin your hair up, if your curls don't like stay standing straight up, if they kind of slouch over like that, that's fine. This is a straighter style that you can try. I also feel like it's really beginner friendly too, because I feel like with the curls, like you kind of have to know how to like turn your wrist and stuff to get the wave and the curl that you're looking for. All right, so I've curled my hair, it's all pinned up. So now you can put some hairspray and stuff in there. This is the Verb Ghost Dry Oil that I tell you guys about. It's like an oil sheen, but it's gonna give you some shine without the heaviness. For hairsprays, the one that I always use that you guys see me talk about is the Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Super Clean Spray. You can use that. It's in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I also just got this new one though from Andrew Fitzsimmons. They're soft hold hairspray. So any type of hairspray that I use, it's always like a soft hold, flexible. Just say something like that. If it says like super hold all day wear, your hair is gonna probably be crunchy. I would stay away from that. So I spray a little bit of this on, and it smells good too. And I let my hair sit like this. I remember I was doing my makeup, so I let my hair sit like this for, ow, that's hurting me. For like maybe 15-ish minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it sit like this and then we'll come in and take it out and hopefully it looks exactly the same. Cause that was like a one-time fluke. So hopefully I'm able to recreate it. I didn't wait the full 15 minutes. But my hair feels cool. Okay. Let's give it a little bit more of a curl than it did the first time. But let's just wait. Just wait and see. And then, you know how usually I tell you, like when I'm doing the curls, don't brush your hair. This is the time you want to brush your hair. I feel like I don't, you don't get the full effect because I don't have like my makeup and stuff, but similar effect and look. So you get like the nice big volume that you would get from like a blowout, or that, you know, others would get from a blowout. But this is, if you have kinkier hair, this is how you're gonna have to do it in order for you to get that similar effect. you need to blow dry, fully straighten your hair, and then go in and curl it. That's it for today's tutorial. Everything that I use will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.